Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI, and I wanted to talk about why I trust my projects to the Scotch brand thermal laminating pouches. I have an older laminating machine, but these laminating pouches worked great with it. Even when using thicker paper like cardstock, it creates a great seal. So at work, we needed to hang posters in areas that could get wet, and we found that laminating them was an ideal solution, and these laminating pouches came through. We were thrilled with the outcome. And since COVID, we've had to take extra precautions. And so when we get people to read consent forms, we have to wipe them down after each use. And even after wiping them down hundreds upon hundreds of times, the seal has remained intact, and we're really happy with the outcome. I'm really happy with how the laminating pouches haven't faded or gotten yellow. They've stayed really nice and clear, and I'm really happy with that. Scotch brand is a reliable brand, but that's just my point of view.